Welcome to Glimpse Pro. Did you know you can create professional videos using only your phone? Today, we'll look at the top 3 video editing apps for mobile that creators around the world love. The first app, CapCut. CapCut is one of the most popular apps out there. It's easy to use, offers ready-made templates, and has modern filters. You can add text, effects, and even TikTok-style templates. In short, it's the perfect choice for beginners and quick content creators. The second app, KineMaster. KineMaster gives you multiple layers for video and audio. You can adjust lighting, colors, and sound effects with high precision. It's great for creators who want more professional control over their videos. To sum up, KineMaster is a powerful tool that gives you full freedom in editing. The third app, VN Video Editor, VN, comes with a clean and stylish design, packed with strong editing features. You can create cinematic transitions, apply advanced color grading, and add royalty-free music. The result, videos that look close to studio-level production. Conclusion, so if you want simplicity, go with CapCut. If you need full control, KineMaster is your choice. And for cinematic quality, VN is the best option. Tell us in the comments, which editing app do you use on your phone? And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Glimpse Pro for more content.